how to subtract mixed numbers with dissimilar fractions. So when we say dissimilar fractions, the denominators are not equal or different. So we have different denominators. So just first convert this to similar fractions and then subtract the whole numbers and then subtract the numerators. Okay? So let's convert first to similar fractions. What is the LCD of 3 or least common multiple of 3 and 4? We just multiply 3 times 4 is 12. So we convert this to denominator of 12. So we have 9 and then we have just copy 9, convert to a denominator of 12. So we have minus 2, so denominator of 12. So let's solve the numerator. So we have 12 divided by 3. So divide lang natin, 12 divided by 3 is 4. Multiply the numerator, 4 times 2, that is equal to 8. And then next, we divide 12. 12 divided by 4, the answer is 3. Multiply to the numerator, 3 times 1, that's equal to 3. Before we subtract, check first the numerators. Okay? So kapag yung numerator nung unang mixed number natin ay greater than the numerator of the second number, the second mixed number or the subtrahend, we can simply subtract. Okay? So just subtract the whole number 9 minus 2, that is equal to 7. Copy the common denominators of 12, subtract the numerators 8 minus 3, that is equal to 5. So the final answer is 7 and 5 over 12. Okay, so next number. So let's try 6 and 2/6 minus 1 and 4/5. So let's check first if we can reduce to lowest term the fraction. So we have 2/6 and 4/5. We can reduce 2 over 6 in lowest term. They are both divisible by 2. So first step, reduce to lowest term. So divide both by 2. So therefore, we now have 6 and 1/3 minus 1 and 4/5. Okay, so let's convert to similar fractions. Okay, so convert to similar fractions or similar mixed number. Just multiply this 3 times 5, that is equal to 15. So convert to a denominator of 15. And then minus 1, then convert to a denominator of 15. Now, let's solve the numerator. So, 15 divided by 3, that is equal to 5. Multiply the numerator, 5 times 1, we have 5. Next, 15 divided by 5, the answer is 3. Multiply the numerator, 3 times 4 is 12. And then check the numerator. So the numerator of the minuend, yung first mixed number natin, is less than the numerator of the subtrahend. So therefore, we need to borrow 1 from 6 and then convert to improper fraction. So 6 and 5 over 15, so this can be write as 5 plus 1 and 5 over 15. Okay? So, convert 1 and 5 over 15 to improper fraction. So, multiply this. 15 times 1 is 15. And then, add the numerator 15 plus 5. That is equal to 20. So, may 5 pa dito. 5 and 20 over 15. Okay? So, sulat lang natin dito. 5 and 20 over 15 minus 1 and 12 over 15. Okay, so they are now similar fraction. So just subtract the whole numbers. 5 minus 1, that is equal to 4. Copy the common denominator, 15 over 15, and then subtract the numerators, 20 minus 12, that is equal to 8. Okay, so this is now the final answer since 8 and 15, they are relatively prime, wala ng common factor. Okay, so itry nyo naman ang number 3. at i-comment nyo ang inyong sagot.